In this video, I will show you how you can create water flow using the help of geometry nodes. Add a curve path and give it the shape of a pipe. However you want it to be shaped, give it that shape. After giving the shape, open the geometry nodes panel, click on new and do the same thing exactly like this. After making these nodes, select the object and go to the material panel, give it two materials, give them names so that there's no problem later, and give them colors of your own choice. Now in the geometry nodes panel, in the top set material node, give material 1 and in the bottom one, give material 2. The top material will be the water flow color and the bottom one will be the object color. After this, reduce the end value of the trim curve. Then you will see a kind of hole being cut. Through this we'll see the water flow. So keep the hole as big as you want and the top trim curve will control the water flow. Set the curve circle's radius value to 0.9. This controls how big the water flow should appear. Now we will animate the water flow. Drag the screen from the bottom and open the timeline. Go to frame 10, set the end value to 0 and press I. Go to frame 140 or however many frames you want. Set the end value to 1 and press I again. And our water flow is now ready using the help of geometry nodes. Now look, I am currently working on this project and I have used this technique here too. I wanted to show water flow inside this drill machine's pipes. So I did this using geometry nodes and I got the idea for this video from this project. Let me show you a rough render of it. Okay, that was a small video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.